Welcome back to our class. Hope you have done all your craft work. Today we are going to make a paper file. For this we need chart paper, color paper, scissors, pencil and Fevicol. Take the chart paper. To make this more attractive, you can paste any decorative paper on this. Here I have taken this brown paper. Mark 13 cm from the bottom and fold it. Then mark 10 cm from the top and fold it like this. Apply gum only at the top side and paste it well. Now fold from the center and press it well. Then open it. Children, can you see this line? First, fold the right side towards the center, like this. Measure 2 cm from this side and fold it and press it well. Now you can see 3 lines over here. Push and fold the middle line inwards and press it well, like this. From this folded side, measure 23 cm and fold the other side over this. You should do the same process on this side also. Measure 2 cm from this side and fold it and press it well. Now you can see 3 lines over here. Push and fold the middle line inwards and press it well, like this. Now we can decorate it. Draw a flower on the flap and cut through the shape. Now take a semicircle and paste it at the center of the flower. Now we can decorate it. Stick this side. Children, you have to stick this side also. Then cut a leaf shape and paste it on the back side of the flower like this. Let us make a ladybug to make this file more attractive. For that, we need 2 red circles of 5 cm as diameter, 1 black circle in 5 cm for body, 1 black circle in 3 cm for head, 2 small white circles for eyes. Take red circles and fold it at the center. Take the black circle and paste it between this red flag. Children, see this carefully and paste it like this. Now stick this on the black small circle. Then you can stick 2 small white circles as eyes. Children, now you take 2 thin pieces of black paper for whiskers. Paste it on the back side of the head. You can draw black dots on the wings. Now our ladybug is ready. Place our cute ladybug on the file. See, you can keep your paper documents here. Instead of this flower, you can try many more decorative ideas like car, jeep, cartoon characters, etc. Okay, children.